Okay, first up, we're going to go to associate.global, and the three lines will open a menu where we can either click to join or to sign in. When we click to join, it comes down with register, and we can register via social media, Facebook, Google or LinkedIn, or we can put in our name and email address and password. Now I'm already a member, so I'm going to log in and I'm going to put in my email address and my password. Again, I could be using Facebook or Google to do this, but I've got a username and password I created my account with. And that takes me straight to my card where I can see some basic instructions on what to do. And as we scroll down, here's my actual card. And I've got a button on it that says edit my card. I've also got share. But I'm going to edit my card to start with. So I'm going to click on the edit my card button. And that opens up with the choice. I can edit the card info, that's the information which is shown on it. Or I can edit images and videos. Or I can add my social media links and accounts, so if I've got Facebook or Instagram. And I can also hide things on my card. But I'm going to start with just my basic information, so edit card info. I'm going to give it a title and a subtitle. Make sure my email address is right and set up my phone numbers. Now each time I type in the box and I click out of that box, it's going to automatically save as I go. So you don't need to be hitting a save button or anything, it'll do it automatically for you. Down here I can even add a hashtag. So that means it's a particular word that makes my card searchable. You know, if somebody searches for, in this case, associate, it would search. If we're using the free version, you just get one hashtag, but if you're using the pro version, you get 5. So it makes your card easier to find. Then I enter my address, and as I start to type my address, you notice that it appears in a list. And I just tap on the one that is appropriate and it will fill the rest out there. I put in my website. I select a category. The default text or SMS details, that's the information that goes with my card when it's shared. And then you fill in the information about your card. So that's like a short about you. I can click on the Images tab and add images or videos. To add a video, you upload it to YouTube or Vimeo. You then paste the link straight into this box and it instantly adds it to your card. If I want to do my social media, I can put in my Facebook address, my LinkedIn address, or my YouTube, my Instagram, so that when I give my card out, people don't need to search. They've got all the information they need right in front of them to be able to find my card. So they don't go searching only to find my competitors. I can add custom links. Here I've added a booking system. You can use Calendly or Simply Book Me. I've used Simply Book Me. I've got a free account. I've chosen an icon. I put the address in here. And that means that people can make bookings to see me through my card. I can edit my privacy settings by clicking on the Edit Privacy Settings tab. And I can hide my address or my email or my phone number or any other things that I want to hide or show on my card. I click the card preview at the top and that opens up the card so I can see what I've done. And here you can see I've got my video, I've got links, I've got my About Me information, I've got my social media links, an icon where people can make bookings to see me, and I've also got a QR code. Tap on the QR code and it's an easy way for people to be able to open your card. They can scan this from their phone and go straight to your card. Alternatively, you could click the share button and it opens up a pane where you can select to share via email, SMS or social media. When I click to share via SMS, it takes that message that I saved in my settings and puts it straight in so that when I send it on, it goes with that default message. Bear in mind, other people will be passing your card around too. I have Trusted Network on here too. If people click on Trusted Network, they'll see other businesses and services that I trust. So as I share my card, I'm sharing other people's cards that I know, like and trust. Try and give them a little bit of a leg up and free business. And hopefully they do the same for me. Clicking all, I can share I can view cards via all the cards. I can view businesses that are nearby, or I can view businesses that are within my word of mouth network. So here again is my trusted network. You can see here there's a blue T. That's because I've added him to my trusted network. I tapped on it and it added him. I tap it again, it would remove him. I can also tap to add him to favourites, which saves his card into my system and asks if I'd like to share my details. I go yes, and I pass on to him my phone number and email address. In fact, I send him my card. At any time, if I don't want him to have my details, I just go into my card menu and go to Forget Me, and I can click on him and have my details pulled straight back out of his account again. I tapped on the associate link on the top, and it takes me straight into the feed of all businesses. Now, the businesses that show at the top are the paid businesses that have been updated most recently. So as you scroll down, the paid businesses come up first. You can tell they're paid because they've actually got a picture or a video in the feed straight away, whereas the free ones don't have that. Again, to share, I just click the share button and it opens up and I can share it via a number of ways. I hope that's given you a clearer indication of how to use the Associate card.